Hi guys, I wanted to come to you today with a new project pan. I found it last week and it's like a project pan, but it's a rolling project pan. So I have 5 items, and if you don't know what a rolling pan project is, which I didn't know until last week and I was watching some projects, is like when you use one product up, you put another one in its place and you just let it roll. So I thought, with me trying to go through my inventory, there's certain things that I want to try to get through, make sure that I get through some of the more expensive things that I have, or that I've had the longest amount of time, and I want to make sure that I use those up. So I picked out 5 things that I want to start this rolling 5 pan project with. So the first thing that I wanted to get through is this Yves Saint Laurent Forever Youth Liberator Water and Oil. And I bought this when I was in New York City. And this was $140. And when I go on vacation, stupidity hits me right in the forehead. And I think I can do whatever I want. I don't know what's wrong with me, but it's just stupidity in motion. But I paid $140 for this. So I had this in a video not too long ago, and it was up here, and I've been using this. I shot this video last week, and there was, when I watched it back, there was something on my teeth, and I was like, what is that? I have lipstick on my teeth. So I've been using it. I haven't used all of this in this week, but I was up to here not too long ago, like a couple months ago, and then I'm down to here. So I have this much left. Well, actually this much right here to take care of in this. And I want to get this because this is $140. I do not want this to go to waste. So this is, and now that I'm slinging it all over the bottle, yay for me. But that's the first thing I want to get through. And in the same trip, I bought this, and it is the Fusion Ink Foundation by Yves Saint Laurent. And I have used this, I used it once this week, but I've used it maybe 2-3 times before that. And it is essentially full. You can see that the thing is full right there. So I need to get through this just to get through it, because I bought it and it was expensive. I don't know how much this one was. I don't even want to look. After looking at how much this daggum thing was, I was done. I'm done with a lot of things right now of what I've done, and with my OCD and grief, and me just going out thinking that buying stuff is going to make me happy. The whole consumerism thing. And it's my fault. I did it. I'm not trying to blame anybody else or blame my disease or anything, but they didn't help me. So I did it, and so I've got to get through it, and I don't want to let it go to waste. So this is number 2. This will probably be the longest one in the pan here, but I wanted to get through this. This is a Tada Harper, let's get on the English side, Illuminating Moisturizer with Diamond Radiance, whatever in God's name that is. This I did not pay for. This was like probably something that I put a code in and got this from Sephora, like after I spent $25 or $35. So I did not actually pay for this. It's like a deluxe size or whatever. It's a sample that I got from Sephora. But I've been using it, and when you use it, this thing at the bottom, I don't know if you can see it right there, it goes up as you use it. So I have used it. I actually have it under my makeup today. I hope this sun is not too bright. There's a cat laying down there in the sun. He's all happy about that, so I can't close the window. But I want to use this up because it's an expensive thing, and I want to try it out just because I probably would never purchase this on my own. So, well, you never know, because if anybody purchases this on a vacation, Lord knows what they'll come home with the next time. So the next thing I want to get through, and I've been wearing this, I've wore this a couple of days this week. I don't have it on today. I have another thing on, but it is my favorite single eyeshadow, and it is actually in my favorite palette that I use the most, and it's a Laura Mercier African Violet. It is a eyeshadow, and I've had it in a pan before, and I've hit pan on it, but I want to get through it and get through the rest of it. So, and because I have a little thing in the palette that I have in there, the big palette. So this is, I bought this before I got the palette. I didn't even know that they had the palette at the time. So I bought this because I absolutely loved it. So I want to try to get through this as much as possible. So that is one thing. And the last thing that I want to get through is this Tarte Maracuja oil here. Put the lid back on it. This is an old, now I stuck my finger in it. It's an older one. They have a new packaging out, and they don't call it Maracuja oil now, but this I absolutely love. And I'm about halfway through it. I've used it a couple of times in the last couple of weeks, so, but I want to use this. I don't want to let this go to waste because I do love it. So these are the 5 products that I want to use up. Let's see if I can do this without breaking something here, but I want to use these 5 products up in my project pan, rolling project pan. So when I use one up, then I will just take it and take it out. Like, if say I empty this one first, then I will throw in something else, and I will keep these 4, and we'll just keep going till the end of the year. Because if you've seen my inventory videos, you know there is a crap ton of stuff in this house for me to go through. I have showed wax. I have showed body care stuff. I'm getting ready to shoot a lotion video that if you all thought this hand soaps was bad, wait for the lotion. I haven't even got through half of my wax, and I haven't even started on my makeup other than the lip products that I've showed you. And I haven't put up a second part to that I found of lip products. So I just wanted to show you that I'm going to start. I have this rolling pan started, and I would have had this up last week, but somebody screwed the video up, so with having lipstick on their teeth. So hopefully I don't have it this time. But if you like this idea, you want to do this with me, or you do something like this, let me know down in the comments. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you'd like to subscribe, please do. I would love to have you here, and I will see you guys in my next video. Have a good day. Bye.